by doing that, we are forming the two tops. And those tops are called the double tops. And those tops are going to give us the signal for the reversal to the downside. Okay, welcome to the Trading Focus once again. Hope everyone is doing good, guys. In our previous videos, we talked about how we can get a confirmation to enter the market by making money from the forex trading or any other financial market by the confirmation of taking a buy or a sell. That's why today's video we are going to talk about the most powerful chart patterns, which is the double tops and double bottoms. We are going to explain to you how to enter by using the double top or a double bottom. How can we confirm this is a double top or a double bottom, and where can we enter from by taking a profit from the confirmation of double tops and the double bottoms. So that sounds amazing, guys. Subscribe on the channel, like the video, leave the comment below. Guys, we'll be back in a minute on our lesson 18, double tops and double bottoms. Okay, welcome back to lesson 18. How to trade the double tops and double bottoms. Okay, so when you see the double top or double bottom chart patterns appear, that means a trend reversal has begun. Okay, so when you see a double bottoms or double tops, what you have to keep in your mind is that the trend is going to change the direction. If you are going in the uptrend and the double tops will appear, that you are going to be expecting the downtrend or a bearish reversal. So when the market is moving down by the downtrend and the double bottom will appear, at that time you have to keep in your mind that you are expecting a bullish reversal or change of the direction to the upside. Okay, so how to identify these chart patterns? How can you trade them and how can you identify them? Okay, so let's start from the double top. Okay, a double top first is a reversal pattern that is formed after there is extended moving up. Okay, the top are peaks that are formed when the price hits a certain level that cannot be broken. Let's go with the examples. Okay, so when the trend is, when we are in the uptrend, we are making higher highs and higher lows. I think everyone remember that in our previous video. So as you are moving up, you end up by forming the first top and the second top. What does that mean? Okay, this is where the market tried to move up and ends up rejecting twice by forming the two peaks or the two tops, this one. So this is a resistance. We are rejecting twice from there. By doing that, we are forming the two tops. And those tops are called the double tops. And those tops are going to give us the signal for the reversal to the downside. Okay, so that's how it's formed from this area. You see the first top here, and this is the second top. Okay, so what you're gonna be end up with, this is the first, this is the second one, and you have equal highs and equal lows here. This low will be a neckline from this support. This is a resistance, this is a support. And remember that when you are talking about the chart patterns, at that time means that the market is in the consolidation or is ranging. We are waiting for the breakout to know the direction of the market. But at this time, the double top signal that the market is going to change the direction to the downside. Okay, so we are going to keep looking for more examples and by confirming how the double top formed and give us the signal to sell. Okay, this is a strong sign that the reversal is going to occur because it's telling us that a buying pressure is just about finished. This is what we are seeing now. we rejected from this area once and rejected from this area twice. What is happening from this area is that the buyers are losing momentum, or the buyers are weakening. By that reason, they are rejecting from here as a sign of the pressure from the sellers who are going to control the market and take it to the downtown or the downside. Okay, so here this is a strong sign that a reversal is going to occur, because it tells us that the buying pressure is about finished. The buyers are losing momentum, the buyers are weakening. So at that time, you are expecting the seller to control the market to the downtown or the downside. Okay, with the double tops, we would place our entry order below the neckline. Why? Because at that time we are starting breaking below the previous low, which means that we are going to continue to the downside. Okay, by anticipating or expecting the market to move downside. Okay, we are going to take also an example from the chart here. So let's start with this. As we created the neckline from this area, we need the market to break below this area, and this is where we are going to enter from. Okay, and listen to this. By trading the double tops, you have two ways to trade it. The first trader, we choose to go with the breakout by anticipating the market to move the same movement of the formation of the what? Of the top. Okay, so which means that we are expecting the market to move as the same height as the tops. That's where a trader who trades a breakout will be taking a trade from the breaking below this neckline and take some small profit from this area. That is the first way. The second way to trade this is that you have to wait and get a pullback. Okay, this is how it's gonna work. So you will need a pullback to retest the neckline, okay, and start making a lower low and lower high. Okay, so which means that as you are making lower low by breaking the neckline, okay, I think that is understandable. When you break a neckline here, it means that you are making a lower low because you broke the previous what? The previous low. That is a neckline. And then that neckline, you come back to retest from this area and reject from there by the candles. Remember the reversal candlesticks. Bearish engulfing, bearish harami, and so on. You get that confirmation by anticipating the lower low again to break the previous what? The previous low here. And that's how you enter well by the confirmation of the double top. When we even connect this one, let's connect even this one. Remember, in our previous videos, we talked about the trend line. If you connect a trend line from this area, connect to this one, it will confirm that we are now begun to go downside. Okay, remember the two peaks we get from the trend line by connecting the trend line, that confirms that we are changing the direction to the downside. So we have so many confirmation. We have the double top, and we have the break below the neckline and retest from the neckline, and we take a sell from there. By connecting that trend line, it will be two peaks, and by confirming a big signal to the downside. Okay, let's also take an example from Euro USD. Now we have two tops. Okay, we have this one and we have the second. Okay, so don't be confused by the double tops. As long as the market is rejecting from the top twice, that confirms that there is a signal of the reversal to the downside. Secondly, you have to look if you have a neckline. This is a neckline. This is an area that the market is trying to reject from there by forming the what? By forming these two tops. So before that, we got some kind of double tops, which is like also a triple, but we didn't get our lower low by breaking the previous lows and confirming that we are going to the downside by making lower low and lower high. So that's why you have to focus on these two tops, okay? So now we are rejecting from the neckline, so what we need to see is that we start making a lower low. When we start making a lower low by breaking the previous low, which is a neckline. When we break below the neckline, remember, we talked about how you can trade a breakout by the target, which will be equal to the size of the formation of the double top. Okay, let's see what happened, how the market is going to break below, or the market is going to change the direction to the upside. But now by the confirmation of the double tops, we are expecting the market to break below. Okay, let's see what happened. Okay, now we broke below. Okay, what we are going to be looking for, we need a stronger pullback to retest to our neckline. So now we retested very well from our neckline so that we got bearish harami where we can take a sell from. Okay, we are going to take a sell from there by anticipating the market to go to the downtrend. Okay, now where is gonna be our target is the previous stronger areas of rejection. Let's say this is a very stronger rejection where the market moved from by making an uptrend. Okay, this is going to be our target. Remember, as we target a big profit, you have also to keep in your mind that you can secure some profits from these previous lows. Okay, these are all the areas where the market can react from. Okay, so now let's see if our double tops give us confirmation to bearish reversal. Okay, let's see what happened. Okay, the market is moving down and try to be aggressive by making a equal high from our neckline, still rejecting from there, and we continue to the downside. So now we get to our target. Okay, so that's how a double tops works. Okay, so same as this example where the market created the double tops from these areas, okay, from these areas and creating this neckline, and we end up breaking below and retest from this area. We got the confirmation of bearish engulfing. We entered from there and our stop loss above the previous highs, and we end up making the consolidation from this area but still below the neckline, and we got to our target. Okay, and from there also by the sign of reversal to the upside, by the confirmation of the reversal to the upside, we started creating the double bottom that we are going to talk about in our next example. Okay, that's how the double tops work in the market. So you can see from this area we broke below the neckline, same height as the formation of the double tops, and we get our TP. Okay, So let's get now to the double bottom. Okay, double bottom are, as we explained above, are also reversal formation. Okay, but this time we are looking for the longer instead of short. We are expecting the market to reverse to the upside. Okay, so this formation occur when extended downtrend. Remember, we have a long movement of the downtrend, and then after that we form the double bottom. That's where we start confirming that we are going to reverse to the upside. Okay, so this is the formation of the what? Of the double bottom. We have this first valley and we have the second valley, by rejecting from this area twice, which gives us that the sellers are losing momentum. Now we are expecting the buyers to control the market. Okay, you can see from the chart above, after a previous downtrend, the price formed two valleys because it wasn't able to go below a certain level. We failed to break below this area and rejected from there twice as a signal of a reversal to the upside or bullish reversal. Okay, we are going to also take an examples, and as we talked about earlier on the double tops, we got this downtrend by making a lower low and lower highs. Okay, you remember that. At the end of the extended movement of the downside, we end up forming these two bottoms, these two lows. Okay, after forming those two lows, we end up creating this neckline where it will be a key for us to confirm that we are going to the upside, and where you are going to take an opportunities to enter from. Okay, first in first, we have these two bottoms. Okay, we have these two bottoms, and now also we have this neckline. Remember, in our previous videos we talked about the trend and we talked about the pullback. This one will be act as a resistance. So a good way to trade a double bottom, as I talked about on the double tops, the first way is to break out and enter the market, and after that your target will be the size of the formation of the of the double bottom. Okay, so if the market break out above the resistance, which is a neckline of the double bottom, we can enter from this area and take at least a TP with the same distance of the formation of the double bottom. And a good way to trade that is to wait for the confirmation by pulling back to our previous high, which is a which is a neckline, and a resistance, which is going to be turning into support, so that we can enter from there and anticipating the price to continue moving to the upside. So that's how we enter from this area, anticipating the price to move upside. Okay, take a buy from this area by the confirmation of a pullback to the neckline, the same as you have to look for the confirmation from the from the candles. So this is this is a double bottom formation, and this is the confirmation that we are going to change the direction to the upside. Okay, let's take also an example from the chart. Here we have GJ. Okay, so now we are trying to reject from this area by these bullish candles, and also the areas we are rejecting from are stronger zones. Why? Because if you connect from this area to this one, this will be a stronger area because it has been rejected before from this area, and we end up moved up. which that confirm that there is a high probability that we can wait for the confirmation from the chart pattern, and we want to see the double bottom from there so that we can enter by anticipating the market to move upside. Okay, this was a correction of this imbalance area, this one, and we came back to our previous low where we started buying from. Okay, let's see if we can create a double bottom from this area. Okay, so we keep pushing somehow up, and now we have this candle rejected from below, which indicating that this is a buying pressure. Remember in our previous video, maybe I think it's the lesson 2. Yeah, that's from there. You can go there and watch it. Okay, so now we rejected from this area by expecting again to form the double bottom. Okay, now we formed a double bottom. We have this one and we have also the second one. Okay, so now we rejected twice from this area. Remember, this zone is very stronger. It's been rejected even before we reach from this movement. Okay, so now we have also a neckline. We need to break above the neckline by taking a trade as trading a breakout, but we need the market to pull back and retest to our neckline so that we can buy from there, anticipating the market to move up. Buy resistance turning into support. Okay, let's see if we can get that confirmation so that we can enter from there and continue to the upside. Okay, let's see if we can get a confirmation. We broke above that area. Okay, we are rejecting somehow. Okay, now we have a confirmation. Okay, so now we have this candle, but we need to make sure that our neckline is drawn well. Okay, like this, because this high have to be in the same position with our resistance line. Okay, so now this candle, this bullish engulfing, didn't touch to our neckline, so we have to wait. You have to wait until we get a confirmation. Okay, remember in our previous video, this area now is imbalanced because we didn't come and retest from this area and we got a small pullback. So we need a medium pullback to retest well on our neckline by confirming now the entry to the upside. Let's see if we can get it. Okay, the market keep pushing up and then we are trying to pull back. Let's see if we can get, now rejected from this area. Now we have the candlestick rejecting from where? From our area of the neckline. So what we need to confirm that we are not going to the downside is that we need a bullish candle. So now let's see if we can get it. Now we have bullish harami. So now we enter from this area by anticipating the price to continue moving up. Okay, where is our target? This is going to be our target, this one. So, and also remember, we have to secure some profit by targeting these areas, the areas like this. These are the areas where you can take some profit from. Okay, so now we need to see if the market is going to give us the profit. Okay, market is pushed very quickly, very easy trade from this area, and then we got our target very well. Okay, so guys, that's how we trade the double bottoms. Okay, remember the double tops and the double bottom are reversal chart patterns. Okay guys, thank you so much for your time. Remember to subscribe on this channel guys. like the video, leave a comment below ku bantu bavuga ikinyarwanda namwe niba hari ikintu mutarimo kumva mubaze. Urumva niba wumva ko trading yaba inzira yawe kugira ngo ukorere amafaranga ikaba yaguhindura ubuzima, baza hasi, don't be shy. Okay guy, thank you so much for your time. Until next time, take care and be safe.